Alright, we're live on YouTube. Alright. How do let's send the link. Let's go to Discord, bruh. Alright, everybody. Alright, good morning. Can everybody hear me alright? We are live. Here, let me put this up a little bit. We are live on YouTube for the first time. Kind of crazy. Alright, good morning. Hello. Can everybody hear me alright? Yes. Nice. Alright, I'm just going to share it with everybody real quick. Let's go to YouTube. How do I share it from OBS? Copy stream link? I bet. And then, let's go. We live at everyone. Join up. Thanks for the giveaway, bro. Of course. Alright, bet. We are live. Alright, I'm gonna give it a couple minutes, and then we can just go straight into our daily buys. Honestly, I'm bullish, guys. I'm 100% bullish. I'm gonna be looking for longs. Straight up, I'm gonna be looking for longs right over here. I said it last week. I was talking with my community over the weekend, saying how bullish I am. Last night, I was saying how bullish I am. I know we already took out London highs, but look, we already have a no wick over here on the 4-hour hourly time frame. We actually took out these highs, so it's done its job. But honestly, I'm really bullish. I think we're just continue going higher, bro. Also, guys, let me know. Is there like a latency? Is there like a delay or something? I'm trying to see how big of a delay there is. Yo, what up, Draft Fun? What's up, brother? Alright, I gotta make sure my trade syncer is all synced up. Wow, everything looks good, bro. How's it going, man? Everything's going good. Everything's good. Today's Monday. It's 9:21 a.m. We got 9 minutes till market open. I'm bullish. I'm gonna be looking for longs. So yeah, let's see how it goes, guys. Wait. Okay, we gotta connect to our funded accounts. What did I eat for breakfast? I didn't eat anything for breakfast, honestly. I'm not really a breakfast type of person, but should I be eating breakfast? Alright, all my groups are all set. Beautiful. Alright, let's go to group settings, copy trading, clear. We're just setting up our trade syncer right now, guys. Anybody that's using like trade syncer or trade copier, make sure every single morning you have it open up, and you have it open up like your broker, like your trading view, like your top step X, your trade, how like you have make sure it's always up. You should always be monitoring it. All right, so have it open in like a second tab, or if you're trading on your phone, like have it on another tab and just switch back and forth through it. But make sure your connections are all set every single morning, because a lot of the time it just like unsyncs, or you just have to re-enable it. It just happens just because they do like maintenance over the weekends a lot of the time. So make sure you guys do it. Otherwise, you're gonna be like upset when it's not working. You know what I mean? All right, enable trade copier. We are all set. All right. Whoa. What is going on with this screen over here? I think I got a loose connection, bro. It keeps on going thing. 3 second delay, fire. All right, 3 second delay. Yeah, I was testing it out last night. I was testing it out how we could have like no delay or how big the delay was. Guess how big the delay was last night? It was 20 seconds. The goat me has arrived. Yawar, bruh, I'm dead. Yeah, it took freaking 20 seconds. I was like, no way, bro. I could sometimes like, you're in a really good trade and yeah. So 3 seconds is pretty good, I think. My cousin's family blamed me, bro. How do I explain? I didn't say go live. How do I explain? I said, wait, what? Oh, cause you didn't get your funded account. All right, let's I think everything's set up. We're here. We have 7-1 over there. We have that over there. All right, bet. Let's get straight into it. All right. I have this open over here. We got a lot of things going on right now. We got good day today's trade. Yeah. All right. So let's open up Forex Factory. Honestly, I should stop using Forex Factory. I'm just used to it. It's just like how I learn. But realistically, you should be using like a different one. All right. So we got No News Monday, which is fine. A lot of people hate on No News Monday. I personally like it, honestly. It's not the end of the world. I mean, maybe. Oh my gosh, bro. We're gonna just pump to all-time highs, guys. Okay, so we have this internal high, and then we have all-time highs all the way over here. So we definitely could get there, okay? Off the charts today because there's No News Monday. I feel like that's overrated. Sorry, wrong typing. I'm good, man. Oh, cars. What's up, brother? Yes, sir. Which account did you win? What is the DOL today? These highs over here, these hourly highs, in my opinion. This unfilled gap right over here as well. So we'll do a quick. Market opens in 5 minutes. So let's do a quick little Let's do a quick little like analysis, right? What are we doing, guys, on the higher time frame, hourly time frame? We don't even need to go to the 4-hour daily, right? What are we doing on the higher time frame, right? We're in an uptrend. We're in a clear uptrend. Right over here, this bullish gap getting respected. This bullish fair value gap getting respected. This bullish fair value gap getting respected. What else is happening? These bearish gaps are getting disrespected. This bearish gap, these bearish gaps got disrespected. This bearish gap, they're getting disrespected whenever we create an hourly bearish gap, right? So that right there. Now, our DOLs technically got hit. So London high and previous day highs got hit. And we do have, what is this? Is this London lows? We have London lows down below and Asia lows down below. But I'm more bullish just because overall structure of things too, right? We had this overall price movement. I thought honestly we were going to go to all-time highs from here and just pump up. But we didn't. We got that retracement and then we got this nice V-shaped recovery, nice displacement from it after filling the new week opening gap. And now we manipulated one more time. We took out these lows over here and now we're continue going higher. I'm really bullish in my opinion. There's a 1 hour bearish FVG. Yeah, but honestly, look, who's more in control when you look at these things, right? This bullish FVG, it got respected. This bullish FVG got respected. This bearish FVG, it got disrespected. So who's gonna, these bearish FVGs get disrespected. So who's in control right now? Buyers or sellers? So buyers are definitely in control. So this hourly FVG, I don't expect to hold, all right? Oh, yes, sir. Everybody hit the like button. Hit the like button. This is the first time we're live trading on YouTube. You guys got to let me know how the quality is, how everything is, if you guys could see everything all right. But yeah. All right, let's close that. All right, let's see what's market. Let's get to a lower time frame. All right. What is this candle over here? 9 o'clock, just straight pump. Make the prop firms lower a bit. Yeah, but then I have to make my camera bigger. That's like how the sizing works. Asia high hasn't been swept though. Right over here. Right over here was my Asia high. Yeah. All right, let's see, guys. Let's see what we're up to today. Honestly, I'm bullish. I'm really bullish. I could be wrong, but honestly, I don't think so. Let's see how it goes. Where's VWAP? Oh my God, VWAP is all the way down over here. Now, what we could do, guys, right? What we very much could do. And the thing is, like, yes, we're bullish, but we still need to have a scenario, right? we still need to have a scenario where just in case we do turn bearish, right? Because we could very much, even though I'm super bullish, we could very much just come down and take out these London lows. So we could actually do potentially something like this on the higher time frame. We could dump down over here, take out these London lows, and then continue going higher. Like we could get a retracement. Do I think we get a retracement? Honestly, I don't think so. But let's go to let's see where we have a scenario or a condition, right? So if we start to honestly take out these lows over here, I'm gonna be bearish to London lows. So over here, these lows down here. I don't want to see us take out these lows over here. So let's put an alert over there. So that's when we'll start getting bearish, because then I think we're gonna go at least to London lows from there, right? Full pour out opening candles? Nah, bro. What are you talking about? Guys, it's Monday, right? It's the first day of the week. Last week was a short trading week. I understand. It was weird last week, right? Do not get FOMO. Do not get FOMO. All right, please just stay patient, right? That's how you literally win, by staying patient, guys. The delay has increased to 5 seconds. My fault, brother. All right, market opens in literally 1 second. Let's see. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. What are we doing? Very nice. Nice push up. Damn. Something going on with my computer. You locked yourself overnight because of FOMO? What is ES doing? Oh, wow. ES is bullish now, too. So ES on the higher time frame. We're going to take out these previous day highs, which we just did. Wow. NQ just ripping up. Wow. What did I say, guys? We're bullish. But, hey, guys. Listen. One thing. I know I said we're bullish. I know we see price pumping right now. But, we cannot get FOMO that we're not entering into the trade right away. Guys, we are literally not even 1 minute into open. We're now just 1 minute. That's the first candlestick of market open. First candlestick of the trading week. Well, at least if you trade New York session. All right? Dang. Oh, guys. Look at the background. We got a new little shelf thing over here. How do we like it? It's kind of small, but the thing is though, I have really high ceilings in my my room over here. W gurufication. We're guru maxing, guys. We're guru maxing. See, and look at that, right? Everybody who longed up here got FOMO. What's going on? You see? You can't get FOMO, guys. Bruh. No, but I'm not even close to done to finishing this room up. On that wall over there, it's empty. I kind of want to put it, I want to put a couch over there. Something just so I could film other I guess scenes that for YouTube videos and stuff. Yeah. Tursonz should become a chef because he's always cooking it up. Guys, I'm actually a fire chef, though. I make really good food. I can make a nice steak. Beautiful. Perfect medium rare. A little bit of red. Ooh, so good. And then you make some nice truffle fries with that. Mike, you took already? And let me guess. It was longs. Let's see. I'm gonna go to the Dow right over here. It's gonna be longs. What did I say? Holy, crazy! The Dow always just pumps, man. We should just start doing that. Facts. Mike's always making a band every day, bro. A band a day keeps the 9 to 5 away. We're starting to dump NQU over here. Wait, where's my alert? How come my alert's not showing up anymore? It's on the. It shows up on the. That's so weird. Why is it only showing up on the 15-minute time frame? It should be all time frames. Same as chart, bruh. Yeah, wait, what's going on with my trading view settings? Does anybody know how to fix that? Why is it on only on the 15-minute time frame? Anybody know how to fix that? That's so weird. Alright, we'll just delete it. Whack. Is trading view bugging right now? You see, guys, that's exactly why we wait. We need to wait for some type of more like manipulation. I could honestly see us coming down over here, testing this London low over here. We're about to inverse the scale. Let's see if we inverse these two fair value gaps over here. The trading view has been a little bit buggy too. Yo, Mahdi's in the chat. Yeah. Mahdi, what up, brother? Yo, Mahdi, we need to create a thumbnail, bro. Yo, guys, how do you guys like the YouTube stream title? You was waiting for me on Discord? Bruh, I made it so many announcements. Check the announcements channel, bro. Yeah, no, guys, so from that one, okay, look at that rejection, though. Okay, so I don't, okay, so look. If this inverse is right over here, I'm not going to take it, guys. I would want one more resweep. It looks too good. It looks too good. This IFEG looks too good. So I don't trust it yet. I don't trust it just yet, okay? If we could get something like this where... Actually, it looks pretty good, bro. It looks pretty good. Where could we target, though? Stop loss over here. Take profit over there. 2 minute. We could target those hourly highs over here. Or even just a nice one-to-one. Nah, I want to see like this. Alright, guys. So if we do something like this, right? So, guys, I see right over here. If we do something like this, exactly, right? Yeah, because we're only 6 minutes to the market open. If we create a fair value gap over here, and we get that same exact concept, right? Remember how I told you guys last time? If we get that same exact concept where we tap into this fair value gap, we tap into it, and we wick out of it, and we get strong displacement, I'll take that. All right? So be ready. But yeah, that would be a good trade, in my opinion. I want to see the reaction off of this 1 minute gap. If we get something like that wick and then that shootout. Remember, guys? Let's see. Because it does look good. Stop loss will always be at the low. But it looks like it's going to run without us, which is fine. And one thing I want to tell you guys, I say it all the time, right? Even if we don't get FOMO, even if we miss out on the trade, even if we don't get that entry right now, think about it. Our trade idea was still correct. Our trade idea was still correct, right? We want to see price go higher. After manipulating, what did we do? We manipulated lower, and now we're going higher. Like, why is that, like, upsetting to you? Right? I'm still building my confidence. That's still a win to me. You know what I mean? Yo, don't know if it's just me, but you're so quiet. I can barely hear you. Just hear me constantly clearing my throat. I'm sorry. I'm a little bit sick. Yeah, the YouTube streams are definitely going to be a way more consistent. We've been just only trading on the Discord, but we're going to do 2 times a week on YouTube and 2 times a week on Discord. Guys, yeah, okay, so it's, all right. But do you guys hear me clear my throat a lot? I apologize for that. I'm just a bit sick right now. Okay, so yeah, if we were to enter into this trade, we would have been break even over here. Guys, I'm still super bullish. Even if we take out these highs over here, I'm not worried. I'll still be looking for longs. I don't want to see a rejection off of this. I'll still be looking for longs. It's all good. It's all good if it takes... It's all good if it takes your highs or your targets. Well, you know why? Because it's a good thing. Because those are your targets, and they got hit. Who cares if you didn't make money off of it? You got the reps in, you got the skill set, you got the confidence in your trading ability built out. You got to see concrete proof of what you wanted to see get hit in real live time. Now, not many people could do that. Trust? Source, trust me, bro. Trust me, bro. Wow, ES is looking hella bullish. Hella bullish. Wow, we got 100. Oh wow, we got 100 viewers on YouTube. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool, guys. Was Discord giving you guys problems or no? Or I had to set this up. I was setting this up last night. I was working with my boy. And we're figuring it out how we want, because there's a specific way I want to do it, because you know what's going on, Vahid? How's everything, brother? Because there's a specific way how I want to do it. I want to do it in a way where it's like, oh, Barry, you went in now at BE. Nice, 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 nice. Where's your target? A 1-to-1 or those highs? See, now the thing is, right? We have all these things over here, all these 1 minute gaps. We could so mitigate these. And that's why I hate when we just pump straight up. And that's why I like SMR the most. Because technically this is an SMR, bullish SMR right over here. Like off of this gap right over here. So then when you enter and then we retake out that high, then we have no reason to come back down here and mitigate it. But we still have a reason to come back lower and then continue going higher. Like we definitely could do that. There's nothing wrong with that. Price still respecting these gaps over here. So it would suck if I was to like enter over here and then you get stopped out of break even and then it still continues, you know? That's why like SMR is really good for break evens, you know? Is all-time highs up there? All-time highs is not here. All-time highs is all the way up over here. So we're only like 170, 200 points away. So not far at all. Alright, let's see how this goes, guys. We could get a nice retracement somewhere over here. Yeah, we retraced into the 2 minute. Did we create a 5 minute? So we didn't create a 5 minute. 4 minute. Let's see how this 15 minutes about to close though. This 15 minutes respecting these two 15-minute bullish gaps over here. Okay, so like this is a big like red candle over here. So we're not gonna enter right away. We would need a bit more confirmation. You see, guys? Just because over here we would need a bit more confirmation. We're in this leg that was like OTE. Alright, so we have this 1 minute bullish gap over here. But it looks like price is just running through everything. So if we were to enter like somewhere up here, stop loss over here, target, no, that wouldn't be the best if we just want to target there. 1-to-1 would be like somewhere around there. We're not in this trade, guys, we're just marking it out. Yeah, we very much could potentially take out London lows. I just want to see though, because I am still overall bullish. I want to see how this 15-minute candle closes. Are we going to disrespect these 15-minute gaps? Or are we going to respect them? All these days I feel like About to create an SMT with ES. took it out that low over there, and Q didn't, but we still have a higher like SMT up here. All we gotta do is be patient, guys. All we gotta do is be patient. Yo, do you think we're gonna get like a rangy, choppy day? You think we're gonna get a rangy / choppy day, guys? So choppy would be like we would just come back all the way up over here again. With respect to the 15-minute gap below all-time highs. Well, this is not all-time highs. All-time highs is all the way up here. I know, I thought this was all-time highs too. We're gonna stay patient, guys. We're gonna stay patient. How's your YM doing? Now watch, YM's gonna be like dumped. I don't know. Well, YM usually, what I've noticed, and correct me if I'm wrong, Mike, YM from here usually, like in this scenario where we just pump up, it'll go like this, it'll go like this, then it'll get like a hard dump over here, then it'll recover and go something like that, and then just play around. That's what I've noticed a lot with YM. Okay, guys, so this is kind of what I want to see a bit more of. I want to see price do something like this. I don't care if we inverse this gap right over here. Yeah. I don't care if we inverse this. I don't want to take it. It's a bit too early, in my opinion. I think we do manipulate. I think what I would like to see would be like really, really nice, and me being patient would be resweep these lows over here, tap into one of our levels over here, and then get the entry off of that. So something like that. That would be perfect. I would really want to see that. So I would want to see this get respected, or even this fair value gap, set us a bit lower, tap into one of our levels, still respecting these lows down over here. That would be really, really nice. But I would want a bigger stop loss, because realistically, like, once price takes out like these lows over here, then I think we're gonna go lower. But we could still like play around over here. So I would want to see like kind of like a big stop loss to play around with it, because we have the room for it. So like if we were to get the entry like around over here, and we were to put our stop loss over here, yeah, over there is like more a 1 to 2 over there. You know what I mean? So that would be very nice. Even up here we could target. So that's kind of like how I want to see. This is kind of like the trade idea I want to see, guys. Does that make sense? You see how we're drawing it out right now? That's exactly what we want to see, right? Oh, snap. I gotta actually post this. Guys, currently Alpha Futures is 40% off for the next 48 hours. 40% off, which is pretty sick. They're doing 25% off for the rest of June, but they just messaged saying that they're doing 40% off, so I'm gonna post that real quick. Actually, I want to post that we're live on the YouTube, though. Yo, guys, all right. I'm gonna take an Instagram story saying that we're live on YouTube. So if anybody wants to say like what's up to the Instagram or say hi, I'm about to take like a nice little like flick for the Instagram IG. All right, so let me know. So get your yo what up IG or something like that in. All right, bet. We got it. Everybody who's texting now, who was the last one? Oh, whoa. Shadow Killer. He just commented Xavi trades. Whoa, is that promo? Nah, I'm playing. Damn, really? Alpha Futures? Damn. Is it a buddy of mine? Nah, I'm playing. I'm just joking. Yo. All right. Share. Copy link. Let me go link. Paste. Live trading on YouTube. First time live on YouTube. Join up. See guys, I'm not even worried about this. I'm not even worried about this. Trust me guys. It looks so like it looks so choppy right now. We just need to be patient. Alright, but we just posted on YouTube. The 4-hour candle. No, I'm not in on anything, not yet. The 4-hour candle that we are in right now has no bottom weight. Does that mean anything? Yes, it absolutely does. It means that we're going to take out these highs, brother. It absolutely means we're going to take out these highs over here. I'm telling you. I'm telling you we're going to take out these highs. Like, I can almost guarantee it, but I can't at the same time. That's, like, also another reason why I'm so bullish. Pairing that up, I'm so bullish, guys. I'm telling you. Where is that, actually? Let's mark that out so we know. Like, because I don't really expect price to come lower than that. Until we take out those highs. Yeah. So, yeah, literally right over there. And then I want to mark at these highs. Oh, that's why. It added a condition. That's why the alert wasn't working. No, I'm not in anything at the moment. Nothing just like crystal clear. Or the trade hasn't came to me yet. You understand? We're going to let the trade come to us. We're not going to go chase the trade. That's the whole point. Yo, my boy Kai Santos. I love him. Hey, Chicago had a new crib. All right, guys. Yeah, no. Alpha Futures is what is it? It's 40% off, but it's only for the first three. It's only like 3 uses. So, if you were to buy, you gotta buy like a high quality account. The premium accounts are I think they're highest quality. Those are the accounts that I personally have. I don't have them funded yet, but I have them evaluations. So let me did I download it already? Mehdi, did I download it from Drop? Yeah, I did. Alright. So let's go. We need the Alpha Futures link. Damn, price. I think price is just going to pump up from here, huh? Let's see if we disrespect this 1 minute gap. We're probably going to disrespect it. You like me more on Discord, bro? Why? What trade copier do I use? I use TradeSyncer, guys. Oh, guys, come on. You guys got to see this, right? I forget we have overlays on our YouTube stream right here. Code Tursonz at. So what do we have on here? We have Apex Trader. We have Lucid Trading. We have TradeSyncer. So TradeSyncer over here is the more chatty community on Discord. Yeah, I could agree with that. Maybe. I don't know. No, but you could be chatty on YouTube. What are you talking about? But yeah, no, that's why I want to do both YouTube and Discord because I do like that the community aspect of Discord because like You know, maybe you just don't recognize the names here. But we have Trade Sinker over here, and then we have Alpha Futures, My Funded Future, and Trade Zella. So code Tursonz gets you the best discount at all of these firms. I think I have a better discount at Trade Sinker now because they recently, so they hit up your boy. They're like, yo, let's partner up. So now we're officially a Trade Sinker partner. So that's pretty cool. I didn't even reach out to them. So they reached out to me because they just saw me posting like, you know, their P&L thing, screenshots. Stream idea, invite one person up every day random and have them trade live with you and see how they do. Guys, bro. We're gonna literally I have so much content ideas. I'm working with my boy. We literally have so much content ideas, bro, that we're gonna go insane to make the community. Guys, the Discord community is only just beginning, bro. I know we just had our biggest giveaway ever, but like that's just the start, man. Oh my gosh, you guys have no idea how much I have planned, bro. I have planned for, you know, having like trading tournaments, like 1v1s, guys, and then like we're gonna give away prizes, funded accounts, all that kind of stuff. But yeah. Are you using Trade Seeker to Project X to copy trade? Yeah, yeah. Well, yeah, I am. So I use Project X as like the main like execution broker. All right, guys, we could potentially catch a trade over here. Let's see. We use Project X as like the main trade thing, and then from there we use Trade Seeker to copy to like the other prop firms. How do I sit on the 1 minute time frame for so long? It's because I execute majority of the 1 minute. How's the mentorship program? The mentorship program is going really good. I mean, okay, we have any mentorship students in the chat? I know we have Barry. Barry, you want to say anything about the mentorship? Yeah, exactly. I know like my higher time frame bias is long, so I don't really need to check it constantly until like maybe we like take out these lows over here, you know? Or an excellent. Barry said it's excellent. Take his word, guys. Fire, fire. Wow, we got 119 viewers in the chat, guys. All right, let's watch this area. I like this a lot. I want to see a potential. If we IFEG, but the thing is, the hourly candle is about to close. If we get entered like somewhere over here, and we put our stop loss over here, I don't like my stop loss there. And then the RR is just skewed over here. It's too high up. It's too high up. And then the hourly candle is about to close. We'll see. What is ES doing? But this is exactly that confirmation that I like to see, though. Yeah, no, it's too high up, guys. And I don't want to put my stop loss here. It makes no sense. Because, like, we could literally resweep this and continue going higher, and the trade idea is still valid. It's all good. We could wait till 10 o'clock. Probably got to pump from here, but it's okay. I'm okay with waiting. I'm okay with waiting, guys. There's nothing wrong with waiting. Yeah, exactly. 10 a.m. Is Project X similar to Top Step? What do you mean? Project X is Top Step. Project X is oh snap. Project X is the broker. It's like, you know how you have Tradeovate? That's what Project X is. But Top Step owns it. No, I love Top Step X. It's like the best broker. Yeah, Alpha is now 40% off just for the next 48 hours, up to three uses. Oh, guys, for those who won the giveaway, make sure you guys DM me. I know I have a lot of unread DMs. It's just a lot of people I've been setting up with the new YouTube stream and all that. But make sure you guys DM me, just like double DM me. So like DM me again if you can. So if you could do that just so like it pops it to the top of my thing. Especially for the Alpha people, because I can't just give you a code. You have to give me your email. For Alpha, okay? For Alpha Futures, those who want the 50K accounts, you guys gotta DM me. For those who want Lucid accounts, um, just double DM me, and then I gotta send you like a coupon code that gives you 100% off on that specific like product. Yeah, that would have been a break-even point over there. All right, potentially if we could get something like this, right? We get a retracement to like this, and then bounce off of it. We could do something like that. Good break-even point like that. Let's see. But it's kind of high up, you know? Nah, that's like forcing the trade. I lied. We're not gonna do that. I don't like that. I want to see it come to me, right? And it's okay if we don't take a trade. If it doesn't come to us, just let's be patient because we want a good stop loss, right? We want good stop loss placement. Isn't that crazy how close we got to take it out? Oh, imagine all the people who had TP levels over here. Crazy. Could you explain the confirmation comment regarding ES and NQ? What do you mean confirmation? Like confirmation is just like being more patient, waiting for like the picture to be painted a bit more. Good morning, Pookie. Good morning, Feroz. Good morning. Who gets a Lucid account for free? Some people already got them. They already claimed them. I already gave it to them. But no, the people who won the freedom giveaway. Guys, we're going to be giving away more accounts too. Just got to give me some time to get things settled. All these days I feel like you and me. Yo, who watched the new YouTube video, guys? Who watched the new YouTube video? Why is my phone like bugging out right now? Fire video? Nice. I really poured my heart out, guys. Yo, the Instagram, I didn't expect this Instagram video to do so good, bro. How I pay taxes as a prop firm trader. We got 20K views on it, guys. Guys, whatever, like, content or what kind of video ideas or topics you want me to touch on, let me know. Just message in the Discord community. I'll make videos for it because I know a lot of people were asking me about these questions. I just make the video and you guys seem to like it. All the unprofitable boys were watching. I'm dead. You're in longs right now, Feroz? Nice. Am I watching the Uzbekistan Portugal tomorrow? I don't know. I probably am. What? I watch when the World Cup whenever, like, cause I'm not the biggest soccer guy. I just like it. I like. Okay. Just try. Okay. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba. Yeah, no worries. Am I Latino? Latino is crazy. I've gotten that a couple times though. No, I'm not Latino. So if I'm not Latino, what do you think I am? I am. I'm Dominican Bobby. Uzbek Latino, nah. I Dominican Bobby. How you know I Dominican Bobby? Latino is crazy. I'm dead. Que lo que mío. Que lo que mío. Guys, bro, why is price action? Okay, so look. Ready? Now another thing, like on paper, right? Look, guys, on paper, right? On paper, this looks like price is kind of moving, right? But look, this is something that you cannot get when you're back testing or you're hindsight trading or whatever when you're trading on a software. This is nothing you can ever get. Look at how like the candlestick is moving. It's moving so like choppy. You guys notice? Like, it's very staticky. It's not smooth. You guys understand that? It's not smooth. When price is not smooth, you could tell that like price action is like just whack. That's what I mean by price action and noticing these things, right? How potentially could be a no trade day, right? It's these types of patterns that you notice, right? Because compared to other days, it's moving so slow. Like, what is this? We're playing around in this, bro. For anything, we should just pump up to these highs. Why are we like, or we should just dumb? Like, it's not smooth at all. It has no idea. It's so like, it looks so indecisive, you know? He's actually from Brazil. But this is Brazil. What team am I supporting other than USA? I'm supporting all my Muslim countries, all the Muslim teams. We're supporting Morocco. We're supporting Uzbekistan. We're supporting. Who else is there? Sorry, I don't know. Egypt, yes. Did Egypt win yesterday? Saudi, yeah, we're supporting everyone, all the Muslim countries, guys. Iraq, Iraq. Their performance is insane. Jordan, yes. Met Uzbek team at Friday prayer a few weeks ago. MashaAllah, bro. That's fire. Egypt won, nice. I almost got stopped by 1 point down there. Where? Over here? Down over here? What love of it on them light blue key levels. I saw that smirk. Yeah, no, you can't have them. Sorry. That's the one thing I gotta gatekeep, guys. Them light blue levels. Those are my levels. Only my mentees know what they mean. Like, I could give them to you, but you have no idea what they mean. Or how to find them. Like, 3-1. Sorry, I have to gatekeep just a bit, you know? It's just how it is. Is it a no trade day? No, it's only 10:05. We're 5 minutes into to the hourly, the new hour we candle. This is a very important thing. See, now that's some momentum to the upside right over there. Let me be a mentee. Shameless plug. Link. Yeah, 3-1 is good. No, you know what other game was good? It was the Congo. I forget the name. That was a good game. What's their name? Congo what? They were playing us, I think, a tie 2-2. It was a really good game. Cabo, I'm sorry. Cabo Verde versus Uruguay. That was good. That was a good game. Did I play high school ball? Nah, I didn't, guys. I was too trash in high school to make the team. Or the coach didn't like me. So that he was racist. Nah, I'm playing. He wasn't racist. Nah, because I didn't really grow until senior year, but then senior year for me was COVID. So I was remote. So so freshman year, sophomore year, and junior year, I was small. I was like probably like 5'8", just barely 5'8". I'm 22. I'm turning 23 next in less than 30 days, guys. I'm turning 23. Jeez, I feel kind of old. Guys, how do I become a millionaire, a billionaire? I have literally like less than 30 days to do this. So I got to become a billionaire. I got to travel the entire world. I got to buy a house. I got to buy a supercar. I need to go skydiving. I need to learn how to snowboard, surf. I need to skateboard. I need to go bungee jumping. I need to go see a volcano. I need to go jump off a waterfall. I need to go get married. I need to go have kids. I need to get 100,000 followers on Instagram. You guys think it's achievable in less than 30 days? I think I could do it, right? Nothing's impossible, right? We're the same age, but you look older. What you eating, man? What you mean? It's because I have a beard, bro. But you didn't say anything about getting married? Bro, I literally just said that. I said have a wife and kids. Get married early when you can, bro. It gets harder later. You need to get married first. Damn, bro. Why is the topic marriage, guys? As an uncle, the only advice I can give you is don't let uh, power or money change you. Never, 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 never. And guys, if you ever see it changing me, how many people we got in here? We got 113 people in here, right? Out of all of you guys that are in here, if you guys ever see like money change me or if I like act a certain way, um, make sure you guys call me out on it, all right? Because yeah, I say like I always want to stay like down to earth and stuff, but the thing is like when you're in the moment, you don't see it, right? Get married and pull some mini Tursonz. Yeah, y'all are crazy. Nah, but I do want to have a wife and kids, a family. Okay, so like I feel like that's the end goal, guys. Yes, traveling and experiencing the world is fun and stuff, but at the end of the day, right? What I find as like true happiness, a big family, a big home, and just travel whenever I want. Yeah, and obviously being on my faith and stuff. But yeah, you'll use their lucid codes too. As another unk, watch your corners on your head that is your seeds. Bro, I'm there, man. Bro, I'm not even. Oh, actually, I am unk status now. Guys, bro. Why do you think my hair's down like this, bro? Trading, man. Trading. I swear, no matter what, even if you're profitable, it's still so stressful. Alright, I think we're gonna pump up really soon. Like, just like pump out of this. Like, the way how we're just moving so slow. 23, 24, my hair decided to disappear. Damn. Guys, when's the Turkey trip? I'm actually going to Turkey, guys. I'm actually going to Turkey in less than a month and in less than 2 months. I'm going to Turkey, but not for that trip. Bro, should I do it at that trip? No, I'm playing. Yeah, definitely. Discord chat Turkey trip. I will marry next year in 24, inshallah. Bodrum is great. Oh snap! Bodrum is great. I don't think I'm going. I'm not going to Bodrum. I'm just staying in Istanbul. Then I'm going to Nevşehir, and then from there I'm going to Uzbekistan. You're in Turkey July, August? Yeah, that's what I'm going. I'm going late July and like basically early August, the first couple weeks of August. Go to my home city in Antalya. It's in the south. Antalya, I want to go there too. Like it's those are like the nice places, but it's everything's like you gotta fly everywhere. Go Bursa, brother. I think somebody went there recently. Tayyib went there. You're gonna come to Turkey, Mehdi? Let's go do Umrah. I'm actually doing Umrah after what is it? After Uzbekistan. I'm actually going to Umrah also. Inshallah. I gotta plan things out. I gotta like book it and stuff. But yeah, go to Dagestan. Spend 2 3 years Dagestan and forget. Get a free code out of him. I'm dead. Make sure you go to Nusrat's and get the steak. Yeah. I've already had Nusrat's. Is honestly the best thing I've had in my life. When will I go to Afghanistan? I don't know, man. Did Umrah in 2020 during Ramadan. But during Ramadan, yeah, that was a bucket list of mine too, to do it during then. But it's hard, it's not easy. I've already done Umrah 2 times. Cheesecake at Galactic Tower too. Yo, guys, yeah, give me all like the food recommendations, like the must tries when I go to Turkey and Uzbekistan. Are you from dad's side Afghanistan or mom's side? Both, both. Both my parents are Afghan, but my grandparent from my mom's side is Afghan. I mean Uzbek. That's why I have a little bit Uzbek roots in me. Do I watch any other sports other than basketball? Yeah, I watch like football. I watch World Cup. I watch soccer, when it happens. What else? I guess honestly, what other sports are there to watch though? Cockroach kebab is the best in Adana. Yeah, that's kebab. Alright, that's better. Alright, we just got a nice sweep. If we could get something like this, that would be nice. Very nice. Still 45 minutes. UFC watch party. Yeah, okay, yeah, I watch UFC, but not like that. I only watch like the main, like the big fights. I don't watch it like religiously. Inshallah, going to Umrah in September. Nice. Cockroach kebab. Alright, let's search it up actually. Cockroach kebab. Oh. Why does this look so different? Yeah, this actually looks hella different. Do you like cut it off? How does it work? That actually looks really good. It's like, interesting. That actually looks really good. Using my payouts to send my parents to Hajj, inshallah, W. I think that's everybody's goal. But alhamdulillah, both my parents have been to Hajj. You ever felt the pain of having a minus 1K day during your only to watch all your picked fighters get TKO'd? Be painful. No, that's like hitting stop loss and then watching the New York Knicks lose. Cricket, I don't watch cricket. I've only played it like once or twice in my life, but like just like backyard cricket, I'm so bad at it. Trust, yes, you can cut it off. That looks scary, bro. That's lamb bao, bro. It has some spices. I've had doner kebab. I've had what else have I had? Normal kebab, chapli kebab, kebab. Guys, I'm Muslim. I'm a Central Asian Muslim. I literally had kebab last night. For someone looking to copy trade, what prop firms would you recommend? Guys, when it comes to copy trading prop firms, you want to make sure you get similar accounts so that all the accounts are like the rules are the same or very similar. So if you're trading on TopStep, TopStep has no consistency in the funded stage. So, and I'm only talking about in the funded stage. Evals, you could trade them separately. Evals, the rules don't matter. Evals don't matter. Whatever the funded stage is, that's what you should really care about because the end goal is not to pass an evaluation. The end goal is to get funded. But here's some sauce. Ready? So TopStep accounts, Lucid Flex accounts, Alpha Premium accounts, My Funded Futures Flex accounts. Yeah, that's basically it. As far as I know. I know that there's like Tradeify, TBT, and those kind of things, but I haven't really looked into them. So like I gotta educate myself on them. The way I say doner is so funny. Oh, my fault. Doner kebab, right? Kabli rice is actually so goated, yeah. Palau. Kabli palau. Yeah, my fault. Doner. Then dreaming about it. You making it at home, then dreaming about it, I'm dead. Guys, I low-key have to use the bathroom. But like, we're about to get a trade, I feel like. We're getting the nice retracement, guys. I gotta use the bathroom though. So much flavor in this community, wallah. Flavor? Facts. We don't just got salt and pepper in here. Palau is ball knowledge? Bro, I'm Abgal. What you mean is ball knowledge? You have to try donut in Germany, bro. It's so good. I've had it over here. It's pretty good, but it makes me very like burpy or gassy. Not gassy, like burpy. Like I have to burp a lot. It like low key messes up with my stomach. I'm from the UK, so everything's salt and pepper with these men. You're from the UK and you said man? No, I'm from the UK, so everything's salt and pepper with these mandum. Mandum. Come on, bruh. I remember when everyone was dropping ethnicities. Facts. If we could get a resweep or some type of like structure, more structure over here to catch longs, I'll take longs. But there's no real like gaps like inverse over here. So let's see. Nah, I'm Bengali. Joy Bangla. Different flavor, akhi. Would you do a collab with another trading YouTuber? Absolutely. Ever tried rice with beans cooked with coconut? I have not. What kind of dish is that? What kind of like nationality or what kind of like, yeah, whose type of food is that? Really, Bangla food is that good? I don't correct me if I'm wrong, but I've heard that Bengali people eat a lot of fish. Like a lot of their dishes revolve around like fish as like the main protein or the main thing. But boy, it makes your clothes stink when cooking. That's crazy. But that just means there's mad flavor in it, aroma. All right, nice dump, nice dump, nice dump. Now, if we could get a nice like thing, like retracement out of this, or like a nice rejection off of this area, I'll take longs. That would be really nice. Yeah, that's true. But mad allergic to fish. They also have a lot of chicken and lamb. Nice chicken, lamb. I love lamb. That sleep is nice. Yeah, brother, fan loved it. Have you eaten frog? I've never eaten a frog. To be honest, I don't plan on eating a frog. Wait, chill, chill, chill. I got a good entry. Excuse me, sorry. I didn't mean to cough in the chat. Do I know Ahmedi FX? Yeah, that's my boy, bro. Bro, his car is so tough. MashaAllah, Allah Mubarak, bro. Ahmedi's from the Ahmed's from UK, I know that, but I've talked with him a couple times, not too much, but nah, I love it. I love his videos and stuff. Collab with all of them. Snails? Oh, what kind of cuisine is that? Snails? I feel like that's like so salty. Do I know Adil, AMN Trading? Yeah, I do. That's my boy too. We talk. We talk on IG and stuff. He's out in Dubai now. He's killing it. But I haven't seen him collab with many traders though. Snails is French. Yeah, I'm thinking about this 1 minute IFVG over here. Potentially, but I want a big stop loss. I want a stop loss at like these lows, guys. So like if I want a stop loss at those lows with a good take profit, I would need my entry to be like around over here. And know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? To get a nice one-to-one. So that we could have our take profit at these highs over here. Understand? Because I want my stop loss at these lows over here. So let's see what we do. Nice. I want a deeper retracement and then a nice IFVG. That would be nice. How big is that stop loss though? Crazy. It's over 140 points. How long you remain low-key without telling anyone when you started trading? Bro, I'm still low-key about it. Only you guys know about me trading and stuff. Recently it's been a bit like different because a lot of my videos have been going like viral like locally. So a lot of people like around my area kind of like they found out about it, like with me quitting my job and stuff. Because that's not like really trading related, like quitting your 9 to 5, like how many people are working a 9 to 5. So that shows up on their FYP pages, you know? Oh my gosh, guys, if we get longs over here, it's gonna look so good. If we can like inverse one of these gaps, like if we inverse this gap, I'm taking longs. That'd be really good. Bro, a deal's all the way in Dubai, bro. I'm all the way in, I'm across the world. Mike is French, that explain why he ballin'. I'm dead. Mike, you're French? I thought you were such with an S. I thought you were like Serbian or like we're going straight to London Lows. Watch, we definitely could go there. We definitely could. No English. Stops at COVID lows. What the? I'm low key nobody. I'm low key. Nobody knows even my family is. Is it good or bad? Nah, it's good. It's a good thing. Trading like okay, guys. Come on. All right, I'm gonna be looking for longs if we inverse this gap over here. I want to see the like the displacement of it though. That's how I would do it, bruh. Something like that. That would be nice. Real nice. Take 8 a.m. lows? You think so? Only if we inverse the gap, I would want to see it. But if we think over here, I want my stop loss. I don't think we're going to come lower than this. If we do come lower than this, then it's fine. But I don't think that's going to happen. And even if it does take out those 8 a.m. lows, we're still protected because we're going to put our stop loss down over here. We're going to have a big stop loss, but a big take profit. Equal lows is overrated, guys. Do you trade live on YouTube every trading day? God, this is actually our first ever day trading live on YouTube. We trade live every day on Discord, but I wanted to start expanding on YouTube and stuff, getting more exposure. But we're gonna be live trading every other day on YouTube. So I only trade 4 days out of the week. I don't trade on Fridays. So Monday and Wednesday is going to be YouTube, and then Tuesday and Thursday is gonna be on Discord. So make sure you guys join the free Discord. We're gonna be live trading in there too. And then plus that's the community. That's fun, bro. You get to see everybody getting their payouts, everybody posting their PNLs, everybody catching W's, bangers, all that good stuff, right? Can't wait to hear you say bang W's in the chat. Bang W's in the chat. W's. And then you guys are all gonna spam W's for me, right? You guys are all gonna spam W's for me, right? Alright guys, so we could potentially we could tap one of our levels. That would be really nice. We could tap one of our levels. I'm still bullish longs. I don't care about this entire move down, guys. If we take out this low, then I'll be a bit more worried, thinking that okay, we could potentially come to London lows. But honestly, like we could just literally okay, let's see it. We just took out the 8 a.m. lows, Mike. Is that what you wanted to see? I want to see us tap one of our levels. Let's get like a nice, and then we can get a nice long out of here actually. Like if we inverse this gap over here, nice long like that, something like that, and that gives us a better RR also. Beautiful. Alright, let's see it. Let's get a rejection off of our level. Let's see if my levels play out, guys. Let's see it work in real time. Somebody asked about the levels previously. Let's see how it plays out. Yeah, this is actually looking really good. We have a nice... Okay, we don't have an SMT. Do we have an SMT? Okay, we have a higher time frame SMT or no? No, I lied. Alright, but ES is also tapping... What is it? ES is also tapping VWAP. This is looking real good in my opinion, guys. Looking real nice. Let's see it. Wait, I want us to create a 1 minute IFVG though. Create a fair value so we can inverse it. Fab. Bro, look at that though. Like, regardless, even if we don't like respect this or thing, jeez, bro. Even if we don't respect or thing, look how we still look. Why did we decide to just reject off of this level right over here? TJR is in longs. Oh, bro, nah. TJR, he's the most profitable guy ever, right? So we gotta take. I'm bullish, guys. I do want to take longs. But I still need that confirmation. So, okay, guys, if we inverse this gap, if this turns into an IFVG over here, we'll take longs. Alright? Oh, he got stopped out, though? He's just a bit too early. A bit too early. Oh, these longs look so good. Please, let me just take them. Let it work out. Buyer stepped in when your level got hit on bookmap, by the way. Ooh, snap. Nah, these levels aren't based off of bookmap, though. Alright, we got to pump. We're not in a trade, guys. No, why are we going lower? I don't want to see us take out these lows because then that changes my bias. It makes me start questioning my bias, guys. What do I do after I'm done trading? What do I do? No, I'm playing. I have a lot of other businesses that I'm currently working on right now. So I create content. That's what I do a lot of the times. I create videos and stuff, and then also like I plan on I have like other like in-person businesses that I have a lot of focus right now. All right, we just tapped VWAP right over there. 4-hour FVG tap. Yeah, we just tapped into this 4-hour gap over here. Do we take out these London lows, you guys? You think? Nah, bro. I really genuinely do think we take out these highs over here, bro. I really do think it. Crazy reaction off of that. Very nice reaction off of that. Excuse me. But I want a bigger stop loss. I don't want a tight stop loss because I want a big stop loss. That's a nice 1 to 2 over there. That would be banger trade right there. I can't lie. I'm bullish. I'm very bullish still, guys. Because even though like on a 15-minute time frame, I'm expecting the higher time frame to play out. We could potentially take out London lows too and then continue going higher, which is not the worst because it also lines up with one of our levels over here. On top step, what would this be? MNQ 2026? Yeah, it would. Nah, London lows didn't get hit yet. Alright, ES is probably going to take out its London lows also. Yeah, crazy dump over here. But I think we're just going to get a nice strong reaction off of it. But I hope it doesn't just play around. I'm still bullish, guys. Higher time frame, we're so bullish in my opinion, right? We're so bullish. We haven't even disrespected an hourly bearish FEG. We are on the higher time frame. We manipulate over here. There's no reason for us to go lower. We have these highs over here. We didn't take it out. We're edging it, but I still think we go higher. And if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. But, yeah. Potentially bounce around VWAP. Nah, I think bounce down over here after London lows. We'll see, we'll see. We're getting potentially a setup for another big day if we want to actually hold it all the way up to here. All right, we could tap into this lower hourly FVG over here. What if we take this trade actually? What's the RR on this? If we take a very higher time frame, because I do like this setup. I don't think we come lower. And what's the RR on this? a 1 to 3. I actually like that a lot. I wouldn't even need a lower time frame confirmation. Yeah, if we could tap into this, I'll probably just take it like an hourly. Like I know it's kind of like I know it's not like my usual entry models, but realistically, your entry model doesn't matter as much as people make it out to be. If we could get an hourly tap over here, that would be insane. I would take that. It's a beautiful RR. Risk to reward makes sense. I really do like that a lot. It takes out London lows. It taps in this hourly FVG. I think this is a protected low over here. I like this a lot. And it's a higher time frame play. Oh, but I just don't want us to think over here. Okay, what if we actually enter off of here? Off of this. Is this an IFVG over here? What's the RR on that though? So let's put over here. Because that's a protected, like, okay, if we're really truly bearish, then we'll take out those lows. Like, if we really take out those lows over there, it's still a 1 to 1.56. It lines up pretty nicely. The market doesn't care if I like it. Yeah, it doesn't matter if I like it or not, but that's what I'm seeing right now. And the RR makes sense. It's a higher time frame. It's a very protected low. And if it does take me out, then it takes me out. It's kind of like a discretion. It's like the entry model doesn't matter as much as people make it out to be. You know what I mean? It's not as important as people like say it is. But don't leave without me though. Don't leave without me. Oh, because then it's just gonna be a 1 to 1. I don't want to catch a 1 to 1 with that big of a move. A 1 to 1.38, a 1 to 1.26. That's nice. A 1 to 1.24. I want to 1.5. It's a big stop though, so come on. 1. Holy, that's huge. I gotta go on MMQ real quick. I gotta calculate this. Potentially calculate this, fellas. How big was our stop? 523. Yeah, not the worst over there. What's my lot size? It would probably be 1 contract. We're gonna wait a little. We're gonna wait. We're gonna wait. Guys, I'll let you know when I'm in the trade. I'll let you know when I'm in the trade. But this is where I'm gonna have my stop loss down over here. So I can get a nice RR. And I'm still protected. See, I don't know if we're gonna take out these lows over here or not. We could edge it, very much edge it. Because we're still playing around in this hourly FEG. We could just respect off this 4 hour. I'm not gonna get greedy with my thing. I'm gonna enter into longs right there. Alright, I'm in longs right over there, guys. This is where I have a higher time frame play. Stop loss is at these lows over here. Take profit at these highs. I just expect this to run. Because overall higher time frame, I'm like bullish to like all-time highs. So where did we get filled? We got filled at 720. Over here. 720 on the dot. You could get a better entry. But I'm okay with taking this entry over here just because it still makes sense. The RR is nice. Stop loss is at a nice protected low. If it does take us out, it may be a little bit early, but I want to get into the trade. And it's more of a higher time frame off of this hourly FEG. So the main idea of this trade over here is, let's turn that view up over here. The main idea is that I expect this hourly FEG to hold, this hourly bullish FEG to hold. I expect this 4-hour FEG to hold and continue going higher. Yeah. And then also we have our stop loss. We could take out London lows in these levels, but we have our stop loss at these lows down over here. So it's in a nice 1 hour bullish FEG, but we're in these longs over here. If we get stopped out, we get stopped out. We're wrong side of the trend, but we're not. If we lose this trade, we're not over risking, guys. You understand that? So, yeah, we're in this trade. And there's the analysis, but yeah. All right, let's place our stops. Excuse me. All right, we're in these longs, guys. We're in these longs. I like how they are. I like the overall higher time frame structure of things. So yeah, I want to see this play out. Zoom in a little bit. We got a nice 1 to 1.5. We could have caught a nice, even like a nice 1 to 2 down here, but it's okay. I'm not gonna get greedy. I'm okay with this. Stop loss is in a good spot. And yeah, let's see how it plays out. We're not risking our whole account. Go long on YM1. I don't trade YM. Mike, should I go long? Alright guys, we're in longs right now. We are in this trade. On TradeSync, do you have a top 2 account as your lead account, and then you have exactly? I have it exactly like that. Not yet. Paper trade long. YM doesn't look good for longs just yet. Well, good thing we're trading NQ. Now, if we do end up losing on this trade, I mean, we have a lot of room to breathe and stuff. So if we do end up losing on this trade, guys, right, then we were just wrong on the day. Our bias was wrong. And it happens, but it's all good. I am risking a little bit less just because it's a bigger stop loss, and the thing is, like, it doesn't calculate perfectly to what I want to risk, but hey, it works at the end of the day. Now this is going to be a longer time for a trade. I need volume to kick in where it's going to be a bit more lengthy. So we may be on here for like, I don't know, 30 minutes. Hopefully we could just pump up from here. Will this be my only trade? If I hit TP, absolutely. If I hit TP, absolutely. Even if I hit stop loss, it's probably going to be my only trade for the day, just because I do expect this. Unless we get stopped out in like 2 seconds. But yeah. Call your uncle to kick in volume for me. Bro, unless your uncle is a market maker and he's got unless your uncle is Elon Musk and he says that SpaceX, if he tweets, unless he gets like tweet SpaceX is going to the moon. Yeah. How my trade seeker is running properly. Alright, it is. Alright, bet. Alright, let's see. Alright, there's those. It's one of our levels. Wait, no, I actually didn't take it out yet. All right, there. One of our levels plus London lows taken out. I want to see us reject off of that now. Let's see what this last hourly candle. This last hourly is very bearish. I understand. If it does take us out, it takes us out. We have a lot of like room protecting us. We have this hourly bullish FVG. So, yeah. This is more like a higher time frame play, if that makes sense. I would hate to see us just get manipulated first and then go, because we low-key did enter a little bit before confirmation, which sucks. But yeah. Tell Trump to tweet. 1 hour OB coupled with new walk should send us higher. Even if it doesn't send us higher and we do take a loss, I'm okay with it. I like the idea behind it. I'm okay. Dang, this is fire, bro. Fire pick, bro. But I just want volume to kick in more so. Not even like to hit take profit. I want volume to kick in as far as like just let the trade give us the end result like faster. Right? I don't want to be in here for so long, you know? Nice background. What's the material? Guru. The material is guru. No, I'm playing. It's like, what do you even call it? The bamboo like panel. Was there ever a time I revenge traded? Absolutely. Guys, bro, I used to be the biggest revenge trader ever. Yo, guys, everybody who's watching right now, hit that subscribe button. All right? I have my mini feed on. Let's see. Everybody hit that subscribe button right now. Let's see it. I want to see the I know everybody here is not subscribed. Alright, let's turn this into an IFVG. Very nice. Let's get this IFVG over here. Let's pump from here. Alright, low-key, this should have been the entry over here. So once we get this should have been the entry over here. Me getting the entry down over here. So what would that RR have looked like? This should have been the entry, right? But I got a little bit impatient. I guess that's me breaking my rules a bit, but it's okay. So over here, yeah, so this would have been my entry over here. Now I would have entered. This is like confirmation for me. This is where I'm okay. Like I'm confident. Before it was a little bit early. This is my confirmation. This is a 1 to 2 over here. All right, so okay, we're missing out on what 0.7 R. All good. It is what it is. See, I would add to my position over here, but then it would be too much risk. It would be too much risk. And I'm not okay with that. I'm okay with a little bit under risking just because it's such a big stop loss and I can't like get exactly how much I want to risk like that. So I'm okay with it. I'm only human, no sweat. Of course. I already secured another green day last night during London session and currently up 2.5 on my Funded Futures Builder account. Just here for my support now while getting my workout. Fire, bro. Fire. What you working out today? Not gonna lie, this is FOMO what I did. Not, I guess, but not really. I guess it is FOMO, but the thing is, it would have been FOMO if it was like this, if we entered up here. Because that's a negative RR. It would have been FOMO if we entered up over here. Because that's still a negative RR. It still is FOMO if we entered up over here, negative RR. It is still FOMO if we get negative RR over here. Right? Understand? That's FOMO. Right? But it still goes because the whole trade idea is this. This is just an entry model within it, right? But I'm going to tell you guys this now. When you have a draw on liquidity When you have a draw on liquidity, when you have a higher time frame bias, and I tell all my mentorship students all the time, everybody learns the wrong way. Everybody learns IFVG first, SMR entry, CISDs, order block entries. Everybody learns those the first. When in reality, that's the last thing you need to learn. You need to learn higher time frame context. You need to learn daily buys. You need to learn draw on liquidity. You need to learn these things first. Higher time frame context, higher time frame analysis. Those things first. And then the last and least important thing is your entry model, right? Because realistically, okay, what if I just said my entry model was off of this, the retracement to this 1 hour bullish FEG? Then what are you going to say? Is that FOMO? Like my entry is off of this 1 hour bullish FEG over here. Or off of this 1 hour bullish FEG. Or this 4 hour bullish FEG to continue to see us go higher. This 4 hour bullish FEG, that was my entry. You know what I mean? We have good stop loss. We have good risk management. We have a good DOL. But yeah. Structure to me looks bullish, right? Even though like we haven't even officially like disrespected these guys. And even if we close below it, I don't consider it a full disrespect until we take out this low over here. Understand? It's okay. We're going to let it play out. We'll let it play out. Once it hits take profit, I'll hit my bangs, W's in the chat. Or once it hits my stop loss, then you guys could say you were right and I was wrong. And it's okay if I'm wrong. There's nothing wrong with being wrong in trading. You take losses. There's nothing wrong with that. But yeah, this is the trade idea. Now we just sit here and be patient and we let it play out, guys. Damn, these are so tough. Damn. We outside. I'm not going long on YM. Why would I go long on YM? I'm long on NQ already. All these days that feel like you and me. Did it dump on news or just price action? I think just price action, honestly. Just getting a retracement. Alright guys, since Alpha Futures is doing a flash sale, I'm going to be running a giveaway around it, but only to those who use the code, and then we'll do a separate one for those who use Lucid. Guys, for the next 40 hours, Alpha Futures is running 40% off code Tursonz. Ideally need some volume. Yeah, I know. Yeah, we're in this trade right now. We need some volume. We definitely do need some volume. What's up, return? Return. Wait, is this return? Oh, okay, this is. Yo, what up, return? Yo, how you doing, brother? Check it. Oh, snap, guys. We're about to hit SL. Price is just dumping from here. This volume is kicking in over here. Unfortunate. Looks like we're about to get thing. I hope we just don't get manipulated. We resweep these lows and then continue going higher. Let's see what happens over here. Alright, this midnight price is the last line of defense. Let's see. Tursonz Habibi, this you FOMO. Your job lot really cool. Hello, music bag. I appreciate you. No, this is not FOMO. This is just a normal trade. I mean, if we take a loss, we take a loss. It is what it is. It happens. It looks like we're about to take a loss, but regardless, I would have entered over here. Same risk. I would have lost the same amount. I would have just adjusted my contract sizing, but regardless, it would have been an L. I definitely would have entered right over here too, but this wasn't even like the main idea. The main idea of this trade, people think the trade is this IFVG over here. This isn't the trade over here. The trade is this, seeing this price action on the higher time frame, seeing this hourly time frame over here, seeing this is the trade idea over here. These gaps over here, seeing these levels get respected over here. Understand? That's the trade idea. Understand? All right, guys. We just we're doing an Alpha Futures giveaway. I just posted the prop firm deals over there, so make sure you guys check it out. Free chat. Let's see. Genuine question though, because I mean we dumped 300 plus points. So what makes you still think we're bullish right now, especially with the news we had with Iran recently? So I'm not really too Okay, so here, let me give you guys my analysis on why I'm actually like bullish, right? So coming into the day, right? And the thing is, I was bullish this past week too, like during the weekend, right? Or even last week, I was bullish, right? Because okay, let's just quickly break it down for you guys. Ready? Over here, over here on the hourly time frame, last week, Wednesday, right? Or even all the way over here, right? Last week, or I think it was 2 weeks ago. I don't even remember, right? We came up all the way over here. We had this new week opening gap push up, right? We created this new week opening gap. Honestly, from here, I thought we were gonna go straight to all-time highs, right? We had our deep retracement. We took out these levels, higher time frame. We started pumping up. This is bullish. This is a crazy leg that I think is gonna send us up to all-time highs just in general, right? Now, last week I took a couple longs all the way up here, thinking that we're just gonna run to all-time highs. We didn't. We got a retracement. We dumped, and we actually retraced all the way to new week opening gap, which is completely fine. But now think about it. The market doesn't just pump up and pump up. We need to have healthy retracements, something like this, right? We go like this. We go like this. We go like this. We don't go just straight up like a rocket ship. Understand? So that was my idea. Now we had a healthy retracement. This is a healthy retracement to this new week opening up. It lines up very nice. Very, very nice. Now all the way over here, we had a nice reaction off of it. And now we're bullish. We're bullish. We're bullish. This is all bullish price action off of this reaction over here. So now what's the true overall higher time frame target? All-time highs in my opinion. I think we're going all the way back to all-time highs. Now, let's look at the price action over here. Over here. So we see that we're respecting off of this. We had that healthy retracement off of that whole leg. Now we have this over here. We have this up close candle over here. And now we have also a nice healthy retracement over here. The market doesn't just pump up straight. So when I see these like dumps over here, I just think of it as the retracement move. It's just the retracement move. Because like, look, we could literally have a candle just like that. Understand? So I'm just thinking that like, okay, this is a low that's going to be protected, right? It's like high. It's like same thing on the 1 minute candle, that stuff, right? It's structure lows. It's like market structure. Like, okay, we have our stop loss at this low. We didn't take it out. We could just potentially sweep it and then continue going higher. But I want it to hold, right? We have this hourly bullish gap over here. We have this over here. We have this hourly bullish gap over here. We have things in our way to protect. And this is all noise to me. If I'm bullish on the higher time frame, right? Yeah, sure, I could have probably caught shorts to these London lows over here, or these Asia lows over here, or whatever lows these are. Yeah, sure, I could have caught shorts to there, but I was looking for longs, right? And it kind of makes it easier for me, like mental capacity, right? Like I just need to focus on longs, you know? This looks really good right now, right? And we have things in our way that are supporting us. Like that's why I wanted my stop loss. That's why I didn't have my stop loss over here at this low, at this low, at this low. I had it at the structured low. You understand? And good momentum out of this. I like it a lot. Very nice push out. But like, even if it does lose, right? There's nothing wrong with that, but it's like that higher time frame. Because you think, right, structurally, like, okay, this is a high that you don't want to see. Like when you're making higher highs, the market is just send of like buyers and sellers. Break even where? Because honestly, my entry is hella high up over here. My break even point could probably be like all the way up over here. Yeah, this could break even over here. Because I'm very high conviction in this trade. I can't even lie. Even higher than this. I think we go to all-time highs like now. Like probably today or tomorrow. I really do think we go all the way over here. It's only 200 points away. How much are we down on the day? We're only down 56 on the day, bro. Daily time frame, how's this? We're still bullish on the day. You know what I mean? Damn, you used the code 25%. Yeah, definitely. Would I not move my stop loss? And trail it? Okay, would I move my stop loss to here? Yeah, I probably could, honestly. Yeah, I mean, there's nothing wrong with that. Or maybe, actually, no, you never know. We could manipulate it, edge it over here. But it's only like a couple, like what? Okay, let me move it up there. It's a $40 difference. It's a $40 difference. So it's like, it's not that big of a difference. So I'm okay with that. Because like, realistically, like, we have it. We could potentially like hit one of my levels and then continue going high from there. You never know. Like, you ever see those things? But nah, I like this momentum over here so far. I like how we're like, look, I love this. And you guys know I love this type of candle right over here. This type of candle right over here is my favorite type of candle. Oh, stop. Why did the recording stop? Oh no, my recording stopped. Okay, we're back. Yo, Mehdi, so there may be like two clips because I just noticed it stopped, but I just restarted my OBS and now it's working again. It's like frozen for some reason. Your trade is a win. You watch. Yeah. Yeah. Coach, just DM me. Actually, no. I could just check myself. I'm excited today. I got some exciting things going on, guys. You really got no idea. I just need this to pump. Is anybody taking these longs with me or no? I'm curious to see, because a lot of people, I don't know, a lot of people are quiet. They were quiet before. Barry, this is where you entered this previous IFVG over here. So this is probably like your entry. You're probably at break even right now. Hey Tursonz, I won the 100 Lucid account. Now I'm in your long and hope is going to hit TP's $1,000. Hey, good luck, brother. Good luck. Waiting for entry. I did and got stopped out. I entered longs on ES, but I'm in again. I'm in longs. I bet. So people are in longs with me. Now who's in shorts? We were close to getting stopped out. Everybody was talking smack. I can't lie. Where's the same energy? Now watch it just dumb. Watch me just jinx it. Watch me just jinx it. Wait, no, I didn't mean to talk smack. I didn't mean to talk smack. Market makers, I didn't mean to talk smack. Don't humble me. Don't humble me. How many hours do you recommend studying for someone who just started trading? 2 hours a day. I actually learned the basic foundations. I don't like this, guys. I want to just see us pump from here, but we have all these gaps over here. We could just mitigate it. Probably just need to mitigate it and then just continue going higher, but yeah. Oh, Sarah Khan is in shorts. All right, another 1v1, guys. Another 1v1. She's inversing us. Wow. That's what you get for talking smack against the market makers. That's so funny. It's okay. Nah, I'm not tripping. Realistically, like, I'm not tripping at all. Even if we hit stop loss, I'm not tripping at all, guys. Yeah, anybody here a father? Anybody here a dad? Happy Father's Day to you guys. Bruh. Of course, bro. Yeah, we're in these longs right now. Yeah, PA is just playing games at this point. Well, when coming into this trade, we did expect it to be a bit longer. I don't expect it to hit take profit right away, I'll be honest, guys. We're probably going to hop off because it is kind of late. We're probably going to hop off just because this is a super long stream. I can't even lie. Yeah, shout out to all the dads. Why is your stop loss way too big? What do you mean? Why is it way too big? If you put your stop loss at all-time lows, you never get stopped out. I'm so sick, guys. Giving Hanta vibes? I know, man. I've been sick for so long because it's so like I don't know. I think 'cause my brothers are sick and like they be coughing all over everywhere and I don't know. When was I good that I'm when were you good that you're sick today? You always sick. I'm dead, bro. No, when did I get sick? I got sick like a week after like I quit. I don't know. Just like my throat. Nah, I'm probably not gonna go back to Dominican Republic. I miss it so much though. Oh man, it was so fun. Just so relaxing. The vibes, guys. The vibes were just it was just so tough. It's so relaxing. It was so good for my mindset. New environment. Caught something at the Knicks match for real, bro. Yeah, this is so cool. That like I have like the overlays going on. We're live trading on YouTube. This is sick, bro. I mess with this heavy, bro. Are you always live trading on YouTube? We live trade. Well, this is actually the first time we're live trading on YouTube, but we're gonna be live trade because we live trade every day in the Discord. But we're gonna be doing it 2 and 2. So Mondays and Wednesdays, YouTube, and Tuesdays and Thursdays gonna be Discord. So that's gonna be the schedule, guys. Because we only trade 4 times a week. We don't trade Fridays. And then depending on like say if like it's a bank holiday day, obviously like then we're not going to trade. But like yeah. But like those are the days. It's not a bearish SMR yet. A bearish SMR would a candle closure below this low over here. That would be the MSS for a bearish SMR because we have this liquidity sweep over here. Did we take out that? Okay, so we had this sweep of liquidity. Then we have this low over here, market structure shift, but we didn't get it yet. What scaling plan do you recommend for prop firms in order to leave to 9 to 5? I don't know. Honestly, like you could literally do it with just 5 accounts. Like I had some pretty big months with just 5 top step accounts. You don't always need to have like so many accounts. You know, it's just easier on the mind for me. That's why. Now that like I'm unemployed and stuff, to just have more accounts. And obviously, like the more accounts you have, the more capital you have, the more leverage you have. But realistically, like I had some pretty big, like my biggest months, like back in like October last year, were just only on 5 top step accounts. It was insane. We gotta pump it up. We have to pump it up. Yeah, 550Ks in October. Yep, 550K XFAs. That was cool. That was really cool, honestly. Yeah, that was a fun time. And then after you get your top set 5 of them, you could add 5 Lucid accounts. Then once you get like some big months from there, then you could get like Alpha Futures like premium accounts. Then from there you can get like My Funded Futures premium account. I mean Flex accounts, you know? Like the possibilities are endless, right? It's just that like it does take a bit more capital and like if you do blow the accounts, like if you're not somebody who gets consistent payouts, then it's not gonna work because then you're just gonna burn money and then you're just not gonna have enough capital to like go through it, you know? Because instead of like paying $100, well, now you're paying 100 times however many accounts you have, you know? Some platforms are a bit more expensive than others, you know? So, yeah. What is my weight? I saw you've been hitting the gym. Right now I'm like 175. I've been trying to lose some weight, guys, because I'm just a little bit like I got a lot of body fat on me. I'm trying to lose some weight, guys. Get some abs. I'm trying to get lighter so I could play basketball better. Nah, chill. Why we hating? Why we hating? It was just a good question, bruh. No hate, no hate. You guys want my social security number? Do I watch soccer? I've been just watching the World Cup. That's it. But I don't watch it outside of the World Cup, I'll be honest. Oh my gosh, bro. Crazy. So we're just chopping around right now. See, this is why like you stop trading at like 11 o'clock because it gets slow. But we entered the trade at what time? What time did we enter the trade? We entered at 10:40. We've already been in the trade we've already been in the trade for 30 minutes, guys. It gets boring. I understand. I'm sorry. I apologize. Yeah, honestly, I don't really like trades that are this low either. Which is why, like, that's why I was like contemplating. But even like, we would have taken like these entries over here. But we would have got a nice RR, and then we could have like targeted over here. Like, I do think we're gonna take this pretty soon. Like, if we were to enter like off of this one over here, right? It would have been 20 minutes into the trade, not doing anything. We could just hop off the live, and then you guys just manage it. I'll just like update you guys. No, I wouldn't update you guys. Just gotta manage it yourself. That's my take profit. Those are my stop loss levels. You're 143, trying to get to 165. Nice. Yeah, if you could get 5 live accounts, see, like, I like the prop firms that, like, okay, live is usually, like, the end of the world for everybody. Because you could, when you're not on live, you could copy trade 5 accounts. And that, like, is really, really cool. That's a lot of, like, leverage. But when you have 1 account, then it's just, like, it kind of gets rid of that leverage. Alpha Futures just brought 5 live accounts, too, with their Alpha Prime, so that's pretty cool. I low-key need to stand up because I've been or just lie down a little bit. Yeah, but guys, this is the reality of trading, bro. Everybody sees like the fun things, the awesome things. Like, see, this is why like I would never like people like glorify this. People have fun with this, but me, like, I just want to hop off right now. Like, realistically, my trade is managed. I have my stop loss set. I have my take profit set. I'm at break even point. I could just add an alert there, and once we hit that level, I just move my stop loss to break even. Like, and that's how trading should be. Understand, guys? Like, you should never be trading like super long. Close that. I don't like the PA. Now watch. Just because you closed out, we're about to pump. See, but this is bad though, right? Because like, as somebody who's live trading and streaming, do you guys care if I'm entertaining or not? Like, do I gotta be like entertaining me like, yo guys, like this? I mean, like, yeah, we chat and everything, it's cool, but like, I don't know. Is it fine if I like lie down a little bit? Oh, I have to post an Instagram video. I bet, yeah. Because right now we're just chopping around. I'm low-key hungry, though. I prefer the background stream vibes. It's way more realistic and gives good expectations. What do you mean, like, background? Oh, just like me talking in the back and like we're all just chilling here?
and not me doing like crazy stuff. Yeah, I mean that's not really like that's not really like me though. Like, yeah. Sheesh. I don't like that dump. I don't like that dump, guys. I don't like that dump. What do my parents say? What do my what do my parents say about my success, guys? We're not even like fully successful yet, guys. Realistically, like yeah, we quit our 9 to 5 job, but the job is nowhere near finished. Nowhere near finished. But nah, they're happy for me, of course. But they're also like, because in their minds, at the end of the day, right, like having a safe job, consistent income, is always like better. It's just how they are. But I mean, it is what it is. Bro, man, I wish we just like like either like honestly, I don't really care if it hits stop loss. I just want volume. I just want volume. Sarah Khan just said, "You're not at your job today." Guys, who's gonna tell her? Who's gonna tell her? Sarah, check out my YouTube channel. Check out the latest video that I just posted. I don't know. I don't think she knows. Insert GIF. No worries, no worries. Nah, alhamdulillah. Check out the YouTube video. The YouTube video that we just posted. Nah. You don't need to apologize. Wait. Guys, is everybody here subscribed? If you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button. Or just one person. I want to see if something works. I want to see if like something works. I want to like anybody. Okay, so anybody here that's watching that's not subscribed, let me know if you subscribed. Like you weren't subscribed. Oh, how come it didn't pop up? Yeah, only to somebody who wasn't subscribed before and they did it. Because it says like somebody subscribed 11 hours ago on my mini feed. Yeah, whatever. Subscribe. Facts, bro. We're about to go crazy on YouTube. Bro, I'm so hungry though. I want to eat a steak. Oh, guys, I partnered with a new futures prop firm called Quantum X Futures. I actually got to add them. Cabo Verde, that's what they were called. Uh, no, I didn't just start trading. I've been trading for around 5 years now. But I was doing it all while working a 9 to 5 job and going to like college and everything. So like the traditional route, but I was trading.
while doing all of those things, having all those responsibilities. And alhamdulillah, last month or 2 weeks ago, we were able to quit. Guys, if you haven't checked out the new YouTube video, go watch it. Go like, comment, subscribe. Comment. Here, let's see something unique. Comment. I don't know. What should we make the comment? So I know that you guys came from this. We have 65 viewers right now. So I know that everybody that's watching from here came from here. You made 6K last month. Let's freaking go, man. Yes, sir. Comment that you came from the live. Just, yeah, comment that you came from the live so I know who was there. Alright, guys. This is what's going to happen. This is the game plan. Ready? This is the game plan. If we don't do anything, if we don't hit stop loss or do anything, I start pumping for at like 11:35. Oh, snap. If we don't do anything by 11:35, so which is right over here, so in like literally 10 more minutes. If we don't do anything in 10 more minutes, I'm gonna hop off. Nah. You can't think like that. You can't think like that. You can't think like that. Comparison is the thief of joy. You just got your blood work done, and then we're back, bro. We're still in this trade, bro. We're still in this trade. I know, man. I'm about to hop off, and then I'll just manage it myself. Stop that dump for the day minus 1K. Jeez, bro. Bro, I'm so tired. Oh, jeez. You're targeting 7-Eleven? This high over here. Facts, bro. That's like our entry. We're all in over here. We move after London close, in my opinion. When does London close? Mike, I never asked you. What do you do, like, besides trading? Are you just full-time trader right now? I think you told me that you run a business with your brother, right? In these 5 years, you started at a loss in your trading career. When did you become net positive again? When I started trading futures around, like, 2-ish years ago, as I got, like, more and more consistent payouts, it was... I had to go through my wise transactions. Mainly trading now. Like 15. Like around 15. $15 or $13, I forget. Used to do some property but wound it down. Why? I'm trying to do some property myself. I thought that's the move. Nah, it was 50Ks. I only trade 50Ks. Just because like 150Ks, like going all in on those, like the total like investment fields are a bit more expensive. So just in case like I blow a couple evals and stuff, I'm not too down bad, you know. So this is going live. I haven't seen you put a no trade day in. Do you think that the audience that you are looking to step back completely? Wait, what do you mean? Have you noticed going live affected your decision making? A bit. Yeah, definitely I have noticed it. It is what it is at the end of the day. You just gotta trade.
right? I mean, everybody's gonna have their own opinions. Everybody's gonna trade their own style. Like everybody's like saying, "Why are you taking longs right now?" I mean, it looks good to me. I just try and trade exactly like how I trade like off the stream and stuff. But no, it definitely does when you have. Well, right now we only have 67 people watching, but like the other days we had like 100 and like 40 people watching. Right, today we peaked at like 120. But now realistically, like even like the first day when we were at 40 viewers, I was like, damn, bro, that's kind of like a lot of people watching me. And then from there, you just like, you know what? It doesn't matter. We already have 40 people. There's already a lot of people, regardless, even if it's even more people. Everybody's going to be watching me at the end of the day. So it's just like, it doesn't matter. Everybody's chasing the same deals. Yeah, I guess so. But isn't that a part of the game? Nah, I will always just want to take a payout. Yeah, I'm trying to learn more about no trade days from this. It never led me to not stay on the markets and just watch it. Honestly, today should have been a no trade day, bruh. I guess maybe today I did get a bit FOMO, I guess you could say, because I wanted to enter into these trades. But realistically, like up here, like just seeing the price action, how it's moving and stuff, it's just like delivery is not good right now. It's just like, oh, do my armpits ever not sweat trading live? No, they don't. It's nice and cool in my room. All right, I said 11:35. I'm gonna hop off unless we do anything, right? So 5 more minutes and then we're gonna hop off, guys, and then we'll just manage it because we've been trading for freaking 2 hours. We've been live for 2 hours. I usually don't trade this long, but it's just because we're in this trade. Now watch. As soon as I hop off in like 5 minutes, it's gonna start pumping or dumping. Yo, price action is so slow. I don't even think I can wait another 5 minutes, bro. Just stop me out. Honestly, if it stops me out, it'll be quicker to stop me out than him to take profit. From 353 to 750 with a nice 3K win on a 50K funded, but then tried to shift more risk onto a new funded and got liquidated pretty much where you entered. Wait, how did you get liquidated? You're on another account, or you just like blew the eval? Alright, I'm genuinely gonna like just hop off, guys. Just start pumping up. Start pumping up. Yeah, guys, this isn't worth the mental, like, whatever, like, the mental strain or mental, like, or just, like, watching this stuff. Like, I'm just tired right now from, like, watching these charts, bro. Like, I don't want anything to do with trading right now. And that's how it, like, it gets sometimes. Once you get to that point, like, jeez Louise, bro. With a lot more size. I got you. Yeah, I'm gonna keep my stop loss, like, or break even. I'm just gonna manage it off stream, obviously. Because I do have, like, a couple appointments later. I gotta get some stuff done before. Oh, what was that shift over there? Alright, 2 more minutes. Let's get some volume kicking in. Just bring us up, like, if we get up to here, and then up to here, that'd be nice. Just, like, get some momentum, bruh. Do I try to take a fat trade on new funders? Honestly, no, I'm not, like, over-risking or anything. Honestly, I care more about the process slash, like, peace of mind, right? That's kind of, like, how I think of, like, I like to think of it. More like peace of mind. I really don't care about, like, the end result. I genuinely don't. Like, right now, I could care less if I hit stop loss or take profit. Like, obviously, take profit's going to be nicer, but, like, if I lose, then I lose. I just come back another day, you know?
As long as I follow my rules, I trusted my process. It's kind of like a job at the point, right? Like you can't be upset because like when you like get too emotionally attached, you could be upset at yourself for like your performance and like you get emotionally attached, you know? All right, one more minute, guys. All right, honestly, I'm just gonna end it here. Nothing's gonna happen in like 1 minute. So, all right, guys, I appreciate all of you guys for tuning in. I'm gonna be managing the trade, obviously outside the live stream, but yeah, we have our stop loss over here. Honestly, you could move it up to here. My break even point's gonna be up here. I still do think we're gonna go up here, but remember when we first entered into the trade, I did believe that this was gonna be like a higher time frame trade. It is a higher time frame trade. We're expecting this hourly FEGs to hold, this 4-hour bullish FEG to hold. Yeah, we have a nice protected low down here, so yeah, that's kind of like the main idea behind things. If we do dump, no, we do dump, we get stopped out. But yeah, guys, I'll see you guys, and we're gonna be live trading tomorrow at, on the Discord. So make sure you guys join the Discord. The link is in the bio. It is in all my bios. Make sure you guys join the free Discord, and then also I'll be updating like my position in the Discord. So yeah, I'll see all you guys. Take care.